Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे important MCQ on pH value. Let's start the video. What does pH stand for? A. Potential heat. B. Power of hydrogen. C. Potential hydroxide. D. Pressure of hydrogen. Answer B. Power of hydrogen. What is the pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius? A. 7. B. 1. C. 14. D. 0. Answer A. 7. A solution with a pH of less than 7 is A. Acidic. B. Neutral. C. Basic. D. Amphoteric. Answer A. Acidic. A solution with a pH of 8 is considered A. Neutral. B. Acidic. C. Basic. D. Saturated. Answer C. Basic. What is the typical pH range? A. 1 to 14. B. 0 to 14. C. -1 to 14. D. 0 to 7. Answer B. 0 to 14. What type of ions are predominant in acidic solutions? A. OH negative. B. H positive. C. Na positive. D. Cl negative. Answer B. H positive. Which substance is most likely to have a pH of 2? A. Lemon juice. B. Milk. C. Soap. D. Pure water. Answer A. Lemon juice. Which of these is neutral? A. Blood. B. Vinegar. C. Distilled water. D. Baking soda. Answer C. Distilled water. Which of these has the highest pH? A. Vinegar. B. Ammonia solution. C. Soda. D. Milk. Answer B. Ammonia solution. What is the pH of a strong acid? A. Less than 7. B. Equal to 7. C. Greater than 7. D. Equal to 14. Answer A. Less than 7. Which of the following has a pH close to 7.4? A. Blood. B. Milk. C. Lemon juice. D. Vinegar. Answer A. Blood. A solution with pH is equal to 12 is how many times more basic than a solution with pH is equal to 9? A. 10. B. 100. C. 1000. D. 3. Answer B. 100. What happens to pH as the concentration of hydrogen ions increases? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains the same. D. Becomes neutral. Answer B. Decreases. What is the pH of seawater? A. 5.5. B. 6.5. C. 8.1. D. 7.0. Answer C. 8.1. Which indicator turns red in acidic solutions? A. Phenolphthalein. B. Methyl orange. C. Bromothymol blue. D. Litmus paper. Answer D. Litmus paper. A pH of 6.8 indicates A. Strong acidity. B. Weak acidity. C. Neutrality. D. Weak basicity. Answer B. Weak acidity. What is the pH of stomach acid? A. 1 to 2. B. 4 to 5. C. 7. D. 9 to 10. Answer A. 1 to 2. What does a pH above 7 indicate? A. Neutrality. B. Basicity. C. Acidity. D. Hydrophobicity. Answer B. Basicity. What is the relationship between pH and pOH in water? A. pH plus pOH is equal to 7. B. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. C. pH plus pOH is equal to 0. D. pH plus pOH is equal to 10. Answer B. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. What happens to pH when a base is added to water? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Stays the same. D. Becomes neutral. Answer A. Increases. Which of the following has a pH of nearly 4? A. Coffee. B. Lemon juice. C. Milk. D. Soap. Answer A. Coffee. What is the color of phenolphthalein in a basic solution? A. Red. B. Pink. C. Colorless. D. Yellow. Answer B. Pink. An aqueous solution has a pH of 13. It is A. Strongly acidic. B. Weakly acidic. C. Strongly basic. D. Neutral. Answer C. Strongly basic. What is the pH of human urine? A. 4.4 to 8.0. B. 1.0 to 2.0. C. 6.0 to 7.5. D. 8.0 to 9.0. Answer A. 4.4 to 8.0. The pH of rainwater is typically A. 7.0. B. Below 7.0. C. Above 7.0. D. Exactly 14. Answer B. Below 7.0. A buffer solution works by A. Neutralizing acids only. B. Neutralizing bases only. C. Maintaining a constant pH. D. Increasing pH to 14. Answer C. Maintaining a constant pH. A solution with a pH of 0 is A. Strongly acidic. B. Weakly acidic. C. Neutral. D. Strongly basic. Answer A. Strongly acidic. Which of the following has the lowest pH? A. Blood. B. Milk. C. Cola. D. Soap. Answer C. Cola. Which biological fluid is slightly alkaline with a pH of about 7.8? A. Stomach acid. B. Urine. C. Pancreatic juice. D. Saliva. Answer C. Pancreatic juice. When pH is 7, the concentrations of H positive and OH negative ions in water are A. Equal. B. H positive greater than OH negative. C. H positive less than OH negative. D. 0. Answer A. Equal. Range of pH scale is A. 7 to 10. B. 0 to 10. C. 0 to 14. D. 7 to 14. Answer B. 0 to 10. Vinegar has a pH value of approximately A. 0. B. 3. C. 7. D. 1. Answer B. 3. Blood typically has a pH range between A. 1 to 2. B. 5 to 6. C. 7.35 to 7.45. D. 10 to 12. Answer C. 7.35 to 7.45. The pH scale measures the concentration of A. Hydrogen ions. B. Oxygen ions. C. Carbon ions. D. Nitrogen ions. Answer A. Hydrogen ions. If the pH of a solution changes from 3 to 5, what happens to its acidity? A. It increases. B. It decreases. C. It remains the same. D. It cannot be determined. Answer B. It decreases. Which of the following substances is considered a strong acid? A. Citric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Carbonic acid. Answer C. Hydrochloric acid. The pH of human saliva typically ranges between A. 1 to 2, B. 5 to 6, C. 7 to 8, D. 10 to 11. Answer B. 5 to 6. What is the pH value of tear? A. 7.0, B. 7.9, C. 7.2, D. 7.7. Answer C. 7.2. What is the pH value of skin? A. 7.2, B. 7.3, C. 7.6, D. 7.8. Answer A. 7.2. What is the pH value of blood? A. 7.0, B. 7.2, C. 7.4, D. 7.6. Answer C. 7.4. What is the pH value of bile juice? A. 6 to 8.6, B. 4 to 8.6, C. 7 to 8.6, D. 2 to 8.6. Answer C. 7 to 8.6. The pH of commonly used toothpaste is A. Greater than 6.5, B. Less than equal to 7.0, C. Less than equal to 2.2, D. None of these. Answer B. Less than equal to 7.0. When acids dissolve in water, it releases A. H positive ion, B. H negative ion, C. H3O positive ion, D. H3O2 positive ion. Answer A. H positive ion. फ्रेंड्स यह इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ ऑन pH वैल्यू। फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।